Hello friends, this is Mona Moruba and welcome to this 27th Kiloba tutorial. Today we are going to talk about how to form the past using the verb to be. Let's get started. In our previous tutorial we talked about the verb to be in the past, and today we are going to use the verb to be in the past to form a past sentence. Let's get started. Our first example is Najinena, which means I was saying or I said. The next one is Naji Sepelela, which means I was celebrating. Naji Sepelela, I was celebrating. The next one is Naji Namwesela, I was blessing him or I blessed him. Naji Namwesela. The next one is Wajionena, which means you are saying or you said. Wajionena. The next one is Wajionena, which means he was saying or he said. The next one is Twaji tusangila pamo, which means we were rejoicing together. The next one is Twaji tukimba, which means we were looking. Twaji tukimba. The next one is Twaji tuimene kumeso anji, we were standing before him. Twaji tuimene kumeso anji, we were standing before him. The next one is Mwajimu mona binti Biabu, you were seeing the things. Mwajimu mona binti Biabu. The next one is Mwajimu nena, you were saying. Mwajimu nena, you were saying or you said. The next one is Bajiba nena, they were saying or they said. And finally we have Baji bashikete, which means they were sitting or they sat. Baji bashikete. So we are going to review one more time. Najinena, I was saying. Najin Sepelela, I was celebrating. Najina Mwesela, I was blessing him or I blessed him. Wajunena, he was saying or he said. Wajunena, he was saying or he said. Twajitu sangila pamo, we were rejoicing together. Twajitu kimba, we were looking. Twajitu imene kumeso anji, we were standing before him. Mwajimu mona bintu Biabu, you were seeing the things. Mwajimu nena, you were saying or you said. Bajiba nena, they were saying or they said. Bajiba shikete, they were sitting or they sat. Thanks guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. More Faiko Neputala, and we'll see each other in the next video. Sharapo.